Select the browser project on the project creation screen. Enter the project name and select the data server region. Generate the project access key. Copy the browser agent script. Paste the code at the top of the head tag of the web page that is to be monitored. Once the code is applied, refresh the web page. You can see that page load events and various metrics appear one by one on the dashboard. Note that for web pages with CSP settings, data transmission may not work properly. Open the Developer Tools and navigate to the Console tab. Verify that the error you encountered is a CSP error in the WhaTap Browser Agent JS file. Refer to the WhaTap documentation to review the information about CSP settings. Add the WhaTap agent CDN and data transfer domain corresponding to script SRC and connect SRC to the monitored web page or the CSP set part of the web server. Once the code is applied, try refreshing the web page. See if you get the same error. If you don't see the error, check your dashboard for various metrics.